Hey there, so we're going to look at now combining like terms. First, we need to know what like terms are. So here's some things you need to know. Like terms have the same variable, so it has to be the same letter. All the x's go together, all the y's go together, but the x's and the y's don't go together. Okay, they have to have the same exponent. X squared is different than just x. And order doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how you combine them, just as long as you have the same terms together. Let's look at what this looks like. We're going to do some examples together. Oops. All right. I'm trying to get my ink here. Let's do blue. Okay, so combining like terms. So what I want you to do is just, you're going to circle. So let's find we have x's. So I'm going to circle and circle with the signs in front of it. Let me make this a little thinner here. All right, and then you're going to go find okay, we have a y here, so let's put a different symbol around our y's, remember with the signs in front of it. And then we have our constants, and let's give those a little triangle. So I'm going to put all my x's together. So I have positive 4x and positive 3x, so that's going to be 7 x's altogether. And then I have 5 y's and negative 1 y, so 5 minus 1 is going to be 4, so I have 4 y's, and then I have my negative 2. All right, so let's try it again. So over here, let's find our x's first. So I have negative 4x, I have positive 9x, and then I have constants. So I have my plus 3, and I have my minus 10. All right, so negative 4 plus 9, that's going to be 5 x's. And then I have 3 minus 10, so I'm going to be negative 7. Okay, so let's try it again. Now we're going to solve, and we're just taking those steps to combine like terms and then use it to solve. So again, I'm going to identify my different terms, and circling them is going to help you keep things organized and straight. Like, what am I putting together? So using different symbols to mark those off to show like, okay, those go together and those other things go together. I have z's and I have constants. So I have 3z and 8z, that's going to give me 11z. And then I have minus 3, minus 2, so that's going to be minus 5, because I went negative 3 and then more negative. All right, and that equals 28. And now all that's left to do is solve this. So I'm going to do plus 5. Plus 5, so this goes to 0, and I'm left with 11z equals 28 plus 5 is going to be 33. And now to undo multiply, I'm going to divide. So z is going to equal 3. Okay, over here, negative 11. All right, so let's look over here. Negative 14x, so I know I have x's, minus 3 plus 10x. All right, so I have negative 11 equals, I have negative 14 and then positive 10, so that's going to be negative 4x. And I just have one constant here, so minus 3. And now everything has been combined, so now I'm going to solve for my variable. First, get the constants all together. So I'm going to do plus 3 on both sides. This goes to 0, so I have negative 4x equals, I had negative 11 plus 3, so I owed you $11, I paid you back 3, I still owe you $8. We're going to divide by what's in front of the x, so negative 4, negative 4. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. 8 divided by 4 is 2, so x is going to equal 2. All right,